Hi, I'm Kate Martin, General Manager of Crosby Volkswagen. We would like to let you know how Crosby Volkswagen is responding to the COVID-19 virus in terms of servicing your vehicle. Automotive Service has been deemed an essential service in Ontario, and we've decided to keep our service department open during this crisis to provide automotive repairs and essential maintenance. It is not lost on us that remaining open during this time comes with a responsibility to ensure your safety and also the safety of our team members. Here are some key precautions and processes that we've implemented to ensure the safest environment possible. We are pre-screening all appointments to ask pertinent information regarding COVID-19. Plexiglass barriers are installed at all client interaction points. We have limited staff to ensure social distancing. Our team members are wearing gloves, masks, and engaging in frequent hand washing. Our technicians are using steering wheel, gear shift, and seat covers when entering and driving your vehicle. We are also turning off the fan system in your vehicle as soon as we enter. Vehicles are disinfected before and after each service is completed. Regular and frequent facility disinfecting is performed by our team. Social distances are highlighted within the building. Drops and services can be performed without entering the building if preferred. You may have questions or concerns regarding how the current crisis affects you and your vehicle. We are here to provide whatever guidance we can. Feel free to contact us or visit our website for up-to-date information, including frequently asked questions for owners and prospective buyers. Crosby Volkswagen is monitoring the COVID-19 situation closely, and the health of our team members and guests are of utmost importance. We each need to do our part to keep safe. Thank you.